In today's video, I am going to be taking you guys through a typical day of profit from all of my different businesses as a 16-year-old entrepreneur. I get questions from you guys very often asking, hey, Wolf, how much do you make in a typical day as a business owner? And honestly, it really depends. Some days I may make up to $200, while other days I'll make as little as negative $1,000. I've had that happen because as a business owner, there's always risk. Sometimes I do very well and other times I don't. So I decided to make a video documenting a typical day of how much I make. At the time of me starting to record this video, it is 2 p.m. in the afternoon, so obviously throughout the morning and throughout the beginning of the afternoon today, I have already earned a little bit of money. So at the start of today's video, I want to go ahead and update you guys on the amount of money that I have earned so far today. So earlier this morning, I actually got an email from Teachable, and a course commission actually came in. I was promoting this cell phone repair course that I took personally and really enjoyed to my subscribers, and the price on that course was $499, but since it wasn't my course, I'm actually not earning all of that money, and I'm only earning a 10% commission on it. So when you go over to my Teachable affiliate dashboard, it says here that I've earned $49.90 on the course, which really isn't bad. I mean, of course, I don't get these sales every single day, but literally by just linking these courses with affiliate links in the description, I'm earning commission passively. This is also the first course sale that I've actually gotten for this cell phone repair course. I do have another course that I promote that is a phone flipping course, and that actually gets sales more frequently, at least 1 or 2 a month, but this one doesn't actually get as much, and I've never gotten a sale before this morning, and that's actually a big reason why I wanted to film today's video, because a little bit of a difference took place in my income today because of this course commission, and it got my day started off right. Another way that I've been able to make money this morning was with my eBay dropshipping business. I've actually already gotten 2 sales today, and the 2 sales were on these Eagle Power String Trimmer 15-inch cordless model. These are actually my highest profit per products on my eBay store, so I'm very happy that these sold over my other products that are listed on my site. They're listed for $157.99 on my eBay store, and I am sourcing them for $124.99 from Amazon. And right now, there's actually a $10 off coupon that you can find online for Amazon, so I'm getting these for $114.99 as opposed to $124.99. So per product, I'm actually earning $30. And since I sold 2 this morning, I've already made $60 eBay dropshipping today. So guys, in total, I have already earned $100 profit so far today. So I'm super excited to see how the rest of the day is going to go for the businesses, because it's already started off super good. The next thing that we are going to be doing today to earn some cash is we are going to be heading to the vending machine location. It's already been a week, so we're going to go over there, clean the machine, and then I'm going to collect the cash from it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how much I make from that. Okay guys, so we're at Family Dollar. I just realized I don't have any cleaning supplies, so I have to get the cleaning supplies and then go to the vending machine location, just clean the machine and then collect the cash from it. So I'll be deducting whatever the cleaning supplies cost from the total daily profit today. Okay everyone, so we're about to get these disinfecting wipes for $2.75. There's also ones for $2, but I don't really know the brand, so I'm gonna get the one with the brand name for the extra 75 cents. Okay guys, so I am back home from the vending machine location. I have the quarters stacked up into separate piles of $1 here on my desk, each stack containing 4 quarters for $1, obviously, and I'm going to be counting them for you guys. So here I have $1, here I have $2, here I have $3, $4, $5, and $6. So not a bad collection for 1 week. $6, not as much as the last time, but hey, money is money, and that income is pretty much 100% passive, and I'm literally just gonna save all of it to buy another vending machine when the time comes. Okay guys, so it has been a little bit of time since I've collected from the vending machine location. So I've gone like about 2 hours without making any money, but right now I'm about to go outside and finish this video off by earning some money by mowing the lawn. My parents actually give me $15 if I mow the lawn in the front and the back. So hey, money is money. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to a podcast while I'm mowing the lawn and make an extra $15 to wrap today's video up.
The eternal dilemma of mankind. Good and evil. The paradox.
I just finished mowing my lawn, and honestly it did not take me that long. It only took me like 45 minutes and I made $15, which isn't bad at all because typically I listen to a podcast every single day anyway. So I mean, might as well spend it making some money, right? I just got the $15 for mowing the lawn, and that brings the total for the day in profit up to $118.25, which is amazing. Today I had a very good day making money. Hopefully the next days go just as well as today went. My numbers were kind of boosted by that affiliate commission this morning, but we're not even gonna think about that because hopefully I can continuously make some money with affiliate marketing, even though that was out of the ordinary for me. Okay guys, with that all being said, I think that's gonna about wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to check out more content on the Financial Wolf channel. I have a bunch of videos here on the channel, so be sure to check them out. And with that all being said, guys, peace out.